In this video, I'll show you how to set up a single property website. Getting the default design, like you see here, live on a domain or subdomain is exactly the same as you would for one of our landing pages. However, we do have some unique features on the single property sites, such as full screen slideshows and Google Maps. So I'll show you how to do that right now. The first step is to place the default design on the website, the domain or the subdomain. So I just go to my website area, I click the domain or subdomain I'm working on, click the property icon, and then just add it with the button, just like you would for a landing page. Just click the design you want and click apply, click OK, and that design has been added to your URL, which is your domain or subdomain. The next step is to use the editor. So just go to the home page for your single property site, click the editor, and you'll see we have the editor. The default template is loaded into the editor. Now to change text, it's the same, just type and save. This is a single image at the top, so you just double click on that, and then you have the URL. Check out the video on how to change images, and it's very easy to do. On this design, we have a few features. I'm going to skip over the slideshow. I'm going to go to the Google Maps. So we have a section here, and you can change all this, whatever you want to put in for aerial view. You can put a map right here. So all you do is you put your cursor right here and click, and you see that line right there. So you're all set to drop it right there. And you just go up to the Google icon, Google Maps icon right there, and you click that. So I click that, and then you have this pop-up window here. Just type in your address right here. And I like the satellite image. I'll show you what that looks like. For width, I like a full width map. So just go here and go to percentages, not pixels, percentages, and put 100%. If you just want maybe an 800 width pixel, you can do that too. Okay, but I like it full width, so I'm going to go to 100%. For my height, I keep it at pixels. I just go to 600. I like that size. And then zoom, you can zoom it in. I like starting at 10M. And then you can generate the map, and you can see an example of it right here. Okay, and there's the address. If you want to put a little title above this with the view home, okay, or anything, any title, your next home or that property address, you can do that, and then you can see this here. And that'll show up on the map, and they can click that to do that. Okay, so I'm going to drop it in there. So make sure you have this right, because the code will be added to the website. So just click OK, and you'll see this little line here. The map is there. All right, and then below that it says add map here, place icon. So we can delete this text. I'm just going to highlight it and hit back. Then I'm going to click save, and then we'll take a look. Click save right there, and we'll take a look at the live site. Here we are on the live site, so I'm scrolling down to the aerial map, and then you see it there. Nice looking map, aerial view of the home. If you did this headline, you can, to users, when they see it, they can X that out. You can just leave it like that. If you don't put anything there, it'll look like this. But it also has zoom capability too. We can zoom in, flip it too. So we got the map in place. And then, so after that, you're going to want to click for full screen slideshow. So check out the video below on how to do a slideshow. Very easy to do. All you have to do is upload your images, create a new page. Only takes a couple minutes. Check out the video below. But that's how you set up a single property site. Just add it to your domain or subdomain, just like you would end a landing page. Then use the editor to add this text, change the text. You can upload your images here. Drop in your map location. You can delete this too if you want to say something about the neighborhood. Drop in a picture of the area. And then, of course, your contact information as well. Very easy to do. Shouldn't take you more than a few minutes to create a very nice looking single property site that's mobile optimized.